Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we're going to learn about Russian personal pronouns and to learn some family vocabulary. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. In the last video we learned about род имен существительных, nouns gender. Now let's revise a bit. The masculine gender ends in consonant or y sound. Чай, музей, друг, город. The words in feminine gender end in a, я or iya. Мама, квартира, семья, аудитория, фотография, Россия, фамилия. And the words which belong to the neuter gender end in о, е, ие. Масло, здание, море, кафе. But the Russian language has lots of exceptions. So папа, дедушка belong to the masculine gender even if they end in a sound. And the words имя, время they belong to the neuter sound. So запомните, remember, кофе это он, имя, время, оно. You remember that your home task was to read the words and make up sentences according to the model. And now let's see which words belong to which gender using the possessive pronoun мой, моя or моё. Мой чай – это моё яблоко. Это моя ошибка. Это моя рыба. Это мой торт. Это моя шапка. Это мой урок. Это моё молоко. Это мой город. Это мой этаж. Это мой дом. Это мой автобус. Это мой брат. Это моя собака. Это моя вода. Это моя машина. Это моя чашка. Это моя елка. Это мой суп. Это моя полка. Это мой папа. Это моя мама. Это моя ручка. So let's learn personal pronouns in Russian. Я. Ты. It's informal and you can use it to address somebody who you know. Вы. It's in plural. And вы might be used as formal and to show your respect to somebody. For example, to a teacher. Мы. Он. Она. Оно. And now let's learn some family vocabulary. Let's start. Дедушка, the grandfather. Бабушка, grandmother. Отец or папа. Papa is informal. Father. Мать or mama. Mama is informal. Жена. It's a wife. Муж. Husband. Дочь or дочка. It's a daughter. Сын. It's a son. Брат. A brother. сестра, sister. Дядя, it's an uncle. And тетя, it's aunt. And now I would like to tell about myself a bit. And you see, this is a map. Это карта. And это Россия. This is Russia. And это моя страна. This is my country. And I'm from Kazan. So это Казань. Это мой город. It's my city. Там мой папа. My father's there. Моя мама. Моя сестра. Мой брат. Мой дедушка и моя бабушка. And now I would like to tell you about the word stress in the Russian language. So the word stress in Russian is quite complicated because there are no particular rules and which would ease the pain learning the words in Russian. So the only one that you should remember is that the words which have your sound usually is quite definite that the stress would fall on the your sound as well. So, for example, ёлка, пчелы, береза. And when you learn words, don't forget about memorizing the stress as well, because any syllable in the word can be stressed, and the stressed vowel is pronounced louder and it is lengthened. So let's read the words and look at the stress as well. Университет, город, Москва, река Москва, город Казань, река Казанка, город Санкт-Петербург, страна Россия, театр, ресторан, перерыв, семья, инженер, муж, жена. And remember the word. Запомните. Телевизор. It's a TV. Телефон. Театр. It's a theater. Ресторан. A restaurant. Университет. University. Перерыв. It's a pause or break. Преподаватель. A teacher. Businessman. Yes, that's clear. Река. It's a river. And again, запомните. Remember. Да. It means yes. Нет. Means no. Это театр. Да. Да, это театр. Нет. Нет, это не театр. Это музей. Это сок или чай? Или, you can say it's a or. Это сок. So guys, thank you for your attention and don't forget to follow us in every social network as you see here, and your home task will be in description below, so don't forget to do it, and next time we will check it. Okay, bye bye, see you.